He didn't lose interest. He just got used to you because you gave him everything before he ever had to earn it. You were always there, always available, always ready. And at first, he liked that. It felt easy, too easy. And when something becomes too easy, it stops being valued. At first, it feels right. It feels honest. It feels like you're doing everything correctly. But then something shifts. He stops leaning in. He stops chasing. He stops trying. And you feel it. So you do what most women do. You give more. You try harder. You become even more available. And that is where it breaks. Because attraction doesn't grow from access. It grows from space. Not distance, not games, space. The kind of space that makes someone wonder who you are when you're not right in front of them. The kind of space that makes him think there's more to her. And here's the question most women never ask. If you already give him everything a girlfriend gives before he ever chooses you, what does he gain? By committing? Nothing. He already has it. And that is the trap. The first thing you need to understand is what real mystery actually is. It's not hiding. It's not acting cold. It's not playing games. It's not giving everything at once. The woman who creates real attraction doesn't rush to be understood. She lets him discover her, layer by layer, moment by moment. And because of that, he invests. He pays attention. He leans in. He wants to understand her. Not because she's pretending, but because she's not trying to be consumed. And there's something even deeper. The second thing is controlled availability, not absence, presence with a life behind it. She responds, but not instantly. She is warm, but not constantly. She has a life that doesn't revolve around him. And that changes everything. Because when something is always available, it stops being valued. The third thing to act is what most women miss completely. Exclusivity. Not from desperation, from choice. The woman who is chosen is not chosen because she had no options. She is chosen because she had options and still chose him. And he feels that. He feels that he was selected, not settled for. And that makes him rise. Now here's where everything shifts. The moment you stop giving everything is the moment he starts valuing what he gets. Not because you changed him, because you changed your position. You stop over-giving. You stop over-explaining. You stop trying to secure something that hasn't been earned yet. And suddenly, your presence has weight. Your attention has value. Your time means something. And this is the part most people never understand. Consistency creates comfort, but too much predictability kills desire. The woman who is always warm becomes expected. The woman who is present, when she chooses to be, becomes unforgettable. And finally, the most important thing, men don't fall in love with access. They fall in love with meaning, with how you make them feel, with the feeling that being with you requires something from them. Growth, effort, presence. And when a man feels that he has to rise to be with you, he doesn't lose interest. He becomes more interested. You don't need to become mysterious. You need to stop being fully available, not emotionally closed, just not instantly accessible. Build a life so full that you cannot always be reached. Create a presence so meaningful that when you are there, It matters. And if something in you is starting to see this clearly, subscribe, because here, we don't just talk about attraction. We change how you experience it.